shake it, he'll say make it and rap before he speak. Bro, West Atlanta nigga, grew up with this music that make me sick. Don't damn me, yo, your force is yellow and that shit look like your teeth. What's going on, Truth's family, man? Check y'all in with another one. So today we are changing out the bench seat in the back for the bucket seats. And in the previous vlog, A Week in the Life, I know y'all seen me go buy those seats in Butte, but they did come out of an ESV, and that was my fault. I didn't think that the third and the second row seats would be like that much of a difference, so I was like, fuck it, I'm going to go ahead and get them. Only 40 bucks, but come to find out they aren't gonna work. So now I'm headed to get the right ones, but they're coming out of Denali, I think. Yeah, Yukon. So basically gonna be the same thing, you know what I'm saying? Might not be like perforated with the holes, but they are in better condition than the ones I got, and they still are gonna do the, you know, heated seats or whatever. So when I get there, I'll check it back in, and I guess it wasn't a total loss, because even though I won't be able to use those seats, I can use the headrest that has the Cadillac emblem embroidered on it, because the ones that are in the Yukon clearly don't have the Cadillac headrest. So still can use it, something enough to get them bad boys. I mean, right there, that Conoco. Oh shit, green light. I see that nigga right there in that big ass white truck. Seats in the back. God damn it. What's the light? They sitting right there in the back of that bitch. I can't even get him on camera. Oh, can I? Let me see. Boom. Y'all see him? That's what they look like. Fucking almost brand new. I got all the pieces and shit for the fold downs or whatnot. So go put those boys in real quick. So take these seats out. We need your 18. Regular fucking wrench, not a wrench, but that's not gonna work because it's not deep enough. I don't have a deep enough socket, but there's 4 of these, I think, on this side, on the split, and then on the other split, it's 4 as well, so I got 8 total. So, get this one out and show you where the rest at. Excuse the mess, but we got one right here. You didn't see that. And then we got another one back here. And then, I don't know where the last one at. It's somewhere around this motherfucker. When I find it, I'll let y'all know. I came to the other side. We got one right there, another one right there. No, that's not a Magnum. And then we have one right there. Trying to figure out the easiest way to get that one. And then this one, and that one. And all the shit comes out. But I don't think my shit fold forward, so that's been my issue. Yeah, this shit don't fold forward, so I don't know why it don't. It should, but if it folded forward, that'll give me way better access to that bolt that's fucking right there. So that's been the only hiccup, but everything else going smooth, man. I tell you what, I got a lot of patience doing this shit, boy, because you can't get no kind of mechanical tools inside this shit, so you're fucked. You gotta do it manually. And if I ain't want these captain seats in the back so bad, I'm like, fuck this shit, but you gotta get those captains in the back. Yeah, we done got most of the bolts out. Just got that one left and that one in the middle. Take me a break, my damn back hurting. Can't get this shit out. I even think I showed y'all the seats. These boys clean. Clean as hell. Oh. Got all the plastic pieces to the back and all that shit, you know what I'm saying? Extra clean. No tears. The other ones had tears in it. But ready to go. This is gonna be the passenger side. So something like that. Feel me? That's the driver's side right here. Alright, y'all, so I might have made it harder for myself. I came back here, snapped that piece of plastic out right there, and I can't access. So I'm pretty sure I did that to the other ones in the back too, but too late now. I know still got the OG third row carpet in that motherfucker, but I done tore some shit up. Tried to get this bitch out by myself. It's out though, shit. Snap back in place. Find the holes. Snack crackle pop. Rice crispy. Hey, I see it, man. Got that whole bitch out by my goddamn self. Whew. Let's get those. The weight this motherfucker just lost, I probably gained like 10 fucking horsepower. Probably about 40. Clean all this shit up. Clean all this shit up. And then I'm gonna put the seats in. Y'all stay tuned. Looking like this shit look crazy. It's 2 seats. But cleaned it up as best I could, and I'm finna fucking put these other ones in. Captains are in. Just gotta bolt them down now. And then slap the shit on the back right here. Slap those pieces on, then put the mat back down. And then put the third row back in here. Now you got space right here to walk. Hella space to get to that third row. And put a big ass TV right here soon. Change the radio, y'all know. Last season. Everything hooked up. All done. So now we're in the back seat. Get you one of these. You know what I'm saying? All this space. Yeah, it's more like it.